let me show you how we can resize table in Apple Notes. I'm here on my Mac. I already insert the table using the table tool at the top. The problem is I cannot grab the cell like I would like to do it, like in, let's say, Apple numbers, and just pull it to change the size of it. We need to kind of force it onto the cell. So the best way to make the cell taller is to use Option Enter to add a new line inside that cell. So I press Option Enter, Option Return, Option Return, Option Return, and this way I force this cell to be taller because there are many lines inside the same cell. All right, and we can do a similar trick for the width of the column. Just be sure you are in the first cell at the top. We cannot do it in the random one. So if you want to make this longer, then you will need to kind of, after you finish typing your text, let's say that's your text, then keep pressing spacebar and take a look. I keep pressing, even nothing is moving, and I keep pressing spacebar, and it's kind of pushing the size of this column. So the column is wider, all of the cells below are wider. So be sure on the top cell, the first cell in the column, to make it wider, and to make it taller, as I already showed you, press Option and Return same time to add extra lines inside the single cell. This will make your cell higher. All right, so it's more like we are forcing this table to resize because this is supposed to be a responsive table. What I mean is, when you scale this down, the table should, take a look, the table is like shrinking. All right, so that's what Apple intended, that we actually cannot resize those cells ourselves. It depends on the screen size on the device. But I show you two tricks how you can make cells taller or wider, so now you can use that to reshape your table. And remember, you can always add new columns, or you can add new rows if you need. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.